Hi guys, good day, it's me, Teacher MJ. Our topic for today class is all about multiplication of integers. So without further ado, let's do this topic. Now in multiplying integers class with the same signs, the answer class will be positive. So positive multiplied by positive, the answer is positive. Negative multiplied by negative, the answer is positive. Now if you're multiplying unlike signs, the answer is negative. Positive times negative is negative. Negative times positive is negative. So this is the thing that you need to remember, class, in multiplication of integers. Same signs, the answer is positive. Unlike signs, the answer is negative. So let's have example number 1, class, for us to really understand this one. So we have 7 times negative 3. Once again, we have positive 7, negative 3. So therefore, positive times negative, our answer will be negative. Once again, class, unlike signs, this is positive 7, negative 3. So positive times negative, that is negative. 7 times 3, that would be 21. So therefore, the answer with regards to example number 1, that would be negative 21. Easy as that, class, for example number 1. So if it's hard for you to multiply 7 times 3, 7 times 3, class, it means you add 7 3 times. So that would be 7 plus 7 plus another 7. So 7 plus 7, that's 14, plus 7, that would be 21. So 7 times 3 is the same with 7 plus 7 plus 7, and that would be 21. Okay, so that's the thing there, class. If it's hard for you to multiply 7 times 3, just add 7 3 times. So 7 plus 7 plus 7, the answer is 21. Alright, so let's have example number 2. Negative 5 times negative 4. So negative times negative, same sign. Negative times negative, that would be positive. So the answer is positive, and then 5 times 4, that would be 20. So you add 5 4 times. So 5 plus another 5 plus another 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 5 is 20. That's it, class. That's the answer with regards to example number 2. Very easy, right? For multiplication of integers. If you recall, class, same signs, that would be positive, and like signs, that would be negative. Alright, so let's have example number 3, negative 7 times positive 7. So negative times positive, once again, unlike signs, negative 7, positive 7. So negative times positive, so negative times positive, the answer is negative. And then 7 times 7, that would be 49. All set, class, for example number 3. Alright, so example number 4, we have positive 5 times positive 7. So positive times positive, that would be positive. So positive times positive, same signs, the answer is positive. 5 times 7, that would be 35. Easy, right, for this one? So let's have example number 5, 10 times negative 5. So positive times negative, so positive times negative, and like signs, the answer is negative. 10 times 5, that would be 50. All set for number 5. So let's have example number 6. Negative 6 times positive 8. Negative times positive. Once again, look at the signs, class. Negative times positive, negative 6. Positive 8. So negative times positive, the answer is negative. 6 times 8, that would be 48. Alright, and then last two. Let's try number 7. 4 times negative 9. Once again, because if you have this parenthesis, it means multiplication. So 4 times negative 9. It means 4 times negative 9. So 4 times negative 9. So positive times negative, that would be negative. 4 times 9, that would be 36. So 4 times negative 9, the answer is negative 36. We have positive, we have negative. So positive, negative, the sign will be negative. Alright, and then last one, negative 4 times negative 9. So negative times negative, the answer is positive. So negative times negative is positive. 4 times 9, that would be 36. That's it. That's very easy, right? For multiplication of numbers. Multiplication of integers. So you try this one, class, and you put your answer in the comment section down below. Let me check, class, if you really understand our topic. So let's have example number 9. And then number 10. So you try this one and you put your answer in the comments section down below. So what if you have negative 4 multiplied by negative 12? What will be the answer, class? And then positive 5 multiplied by negative 10. So you try this one class and you put your answer in the comment section down below. Let me check class if you really understand our topic. So once again, I hope you learned something new today. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. You share it to your friends and to your classmates so that we can help more students. Once again, this is Teacher MJ. Have a great day, class. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye.